Hello students, I am Sanjeev Kumar Misra. Welcome on my YouTube channel SK Misra Chemistry Classes. In Chemistry Unit First, some basic concepts of chemistry. From today's we are started English Medium UP Board and CBSE Board. In 11th classes, Unit First, some basic concepts of chemistry. I hope in class 9th and 10th you have already known some basic concept of chemistry such as classification of matters, importance of chemistry, scientific methods, significance number, accuracy, precision and measurement, significant figures, atoms and molecules, atomic mass, molecular mass, and classification of substances as like metals, non-metals, metalloids. Already you have studied in class 9th and 10th. So we started from mole concept. If you are first viewer on my YouTube channel, then subscribe my channel for latest and upcoming notifications or upcoming videos. Today's my topic is mole concept. Similarly, it is very important and very simple. Mole means mole, concept means sankalpana. In Hindi, mole concept means mole sankalpana. The term mole first of all given by scientist Ostwald. The term mole was given by scientist Ostwald, which used first of all term mole. It correlates the substances and the number of species, that is atoms or molecules or ions. Simply, it is very simple, such as 1 dozen, as you already known, 1 dozen of any quantity contains 12 atoms. For example, 1 dozen banana equal to 10 bananas. Similarly, 1 score equal to 20, yani 1 score apple equal to 20 score. Similarly, 1 mole equal to any substance, any chemical substance contains 6.022 into 10 की power 23. 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 power 3 atoms, molecules or ions. Okay, so 1 mole is a substance which contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms or molecules or ions is known as a mole. What the question arises here is that from which 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23, how we obtain it? Okay. Now the definition of 1 mole, or mole, is that 1 mole of a substance is that amount, 1 mole of a substance is that amount of it which contains as many particles, that is atoms, molecules or ion, are present in 12 gram of C12. That is 1 mole of a quantity we obtain 6.022 into 10 power 23. That is the number of atoms, molecules or ions which are present in 1 gram of C12. C12 means that is carbon 12 isotope. कार्बन 12 इन कार्बन 12 आइसोटोप के 12 ग्राम में जितने नंबर ऑफ एटम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं वही क्या होता है 6.022 10 power 23, यानी which is equal to 1 mole. That is, we calculate the number of atoms or molecules or ions which are present in C12 in 12 gram of atoms. On the basis of mass spectroscopy, it is the study of calculation of mass. So on the basis of mass spectroscopy, mass of one carbon atom is found to be, mass of one carbon is found to be, in carbon 12 atoms found to be 1.99 into 1.99 92648 into 10 power minus 23. Mass of one atom of C12. Okay. Now the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon is, we calculate the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon is, so 12 divided by this number 1.99648 into 10 power minus 23. Okay, if we divide it by this number, then we obtain 6.0221367 into 10 power 23. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? आई होप आपको इतना समझ में आ गया होगा. यानी 1 मोल ऑफ कार्बन, 1 मोल ऑफ एनी स्पीसीज इक्वल टू 6.0221367 to 10 power 23. This number is also known as a Avogadro number and represented by Na in the honor of Avogadro, scientist Avogadro. In the respect of Avogadro, we represented this number as Na. That is, Na equal to, we can write it 6.022 into 10 power 23. Na equal to number of Avogadro. That is, the 1 mole of any atoms contains 1 Na atom. 1 mole of ion equal to 1 Na ion हो जाएगा. 1 mole of electron equal to Na electron. That is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, let us consider 1 mole atom of any species equal to Na atoms, and Na equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, similarly, if 2 mole atom equal to 2Na, 3 mole equal to 3Na. Similarly, 1 mole molecule equal to Na, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Similarly, 1 mole electrons, 1 mole protons equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now we can define mole. Now we can define 1 mole of any substance. Listen to me carefully. 1 mole of any substance which contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms, molecules or ions. One more interesting, the correct terms are gram atoms or gram molecules for elements and compound, but now common term we used mole, and it is represented by small n. Okay, it is represented by small n. Moles of an element, if we want to calculate the moles of an element, okay, then the formula is that moles of an elements or gram atoms of atoms or gram molecules of molecules, or commonly moles of an element equal to mass of substance, mass of atoms, molecules or any species or ions in gram, then divided by atomic mass, molecular mass or ionic mass upon atomic mass. If in question, if the if in a question, if the mass of substance is given, then we divided by atomic mass of substances, then we got the number of moles of an atoms or molecules or ions. That is, the formula of calculation of number of moles equal to weight of substances of any atoms, molecules or ions, that divided by molecular or atomic weight or ionic weight. Weight of substance must be always in gram. Okay, from this formula we can calculate the number of atoms or molecules. I have already sent you number of PDF of unit first. From this formula we can calculate the weight of substances, that is weight of substance W equal to N into M dash. Next, calculation of moles when number of particles are given. If calculation of moles when number of particles are given, then you can calculate the number of moles. In this situation we use the formula number of moles N equal to number of particles divided by Na, that is Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23. If the number of particles is given, then we can calculate the number of moles. Okay, if the mass of given, then we calculate the number of moles of any elements. If number of particles are given, then we calculate the number of moles. If that is the number of particles in a given species equal to N into Na. If number of particles in a question we ask the number of particles, then it is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Next, most interesting topic is that any gas at STP or NTP. NTP, that is normal temperature pressure or standard temperature pressure. 1 mole of any gas at STP or NTP contains or occupied 22.4 liter volume. Any volume of 1 mole of gas at NTP or STP equal to 22.4 liter. That is, if we asked 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23, 6.022 into 10 power 23, the volume of 6.022 into 10 power 23 moles equal to 22.4 liter. That is the next relation. Now let us consider an example. Calculate the number of moles in the following. Okay, 46 gram of sodium, 9 gram of water, third 134 gram of carbon dioxide. Okay, calculate the number of moles in the following. Number of moles equal to mass of substances upon molar mass or atomic mass or molecular mass of substances. In this questions, answer number first is mass of sodium equal to, we know mass of sodium 23. Given mass of a substance is 46. Atomic mass of sodium equal to 23 and given mass of sodium atoms is 46. Then we calculate the number of moles. Number of moles equal to W upon M. We know the formula. W equal to, that is weight of substances 46 and atomic mass of sodium is 23, then that is 2 moles of sodium. If we asked how much the number of particles present in 46 gram of sodium, listen to carefully. If we want to calculate the number of particles in 46 gram of sodium atoms, that is, we first of all calculate the number of moles. Number of moles in 46 gram equal to 2. Then we calculate the number of particles of sodium, that is, number of particles of sodium in 46 gram equal to n into Na, that is 2 into multiply by 6.022 into 10 power 23, that is 12.044 into 10 power 23. It is the number of sodium atoms present in 46 gram of sodium. Okay. Similarly, next question, next part देखिए. 9 gram of water molecule. 9 gram of water molecules, number of moles in 9 gram of water molecule is, molecular weight of water molecule is 18. You have already known. H2O. Formula of water is H2O, that is, it contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Weight of 2 hydrogen atom is 2 into 1. Weight of 1 oxygen atom equal to 16, that is 2 plus 16 equal to 18. Now we calculate, and weight of the water molecule is given 9. So molecular weight of the water molecule is equal to 18 and weight of the water molecule is given, weight is 9. Then we calculate the number of moles equal to W upon M, that is 9 upon 18, that is 0.5. If we asked you that how much particles are present in 9 gram of water molecule, then first of all you calculate the number of moles of water molecule, that is 0.5. Then it is multiplied by Na. We can calculate the number of particles. Number of particles in 9 gram of water molecule equal to N into Na, that is 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23, that is 3.011 into 10 power 23. Next question. Here is the same question as we discussed the previous. Calculate the number of moles in, that is, number of particles are given in this question. Now calculate the number of moles. N equal to calculate करना आपको. नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आर गिवन. यहाँ पर देखिए क्या आपको नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स देखिए दिए हुए हैं 3.01 इंटू 10 पावर 23 CO2. ओके. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इक्वल टू, इफ पार्टिकल्स आर गिवन देन फार्मूला इज नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स डिवाइडेड बाय Na. नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स of CO2 equal to 3.01 into 10 power 23, then it is divided by 6.022 भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं इंटू 10 पावर 23. एक्चुअली 6.022 के प्लेस पर मैंने क्या किया, 6.02 यूज़ किया. इससे क्या होता है, कैलकुलेशन हमारी थोड़ी इजी हो जाती है, मैंने उसको इग्नोर कर दिया. देन इक्वल टू 1/2, दैट इज 0.5. सो इजी क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड वन इज 6 इंटू 10 पावर 21 H2O. इसको देखिएगा, 6 इंटू 10 पावर 23, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स 6 इंटू 10 पावर 23 डिवाइडेड बाई आवागाड्रो नंबर 6.022 इंटू 10 पावर 23. अब क्या करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में भी, इस 6.022 यहाँ पे 6 है, मैं इसको नियरली क्या 6 ही मान लेता हूँ. तो नियरली आंसर इज 1 इंटू 10 पावर -2. आपको शायद कैलकुलेशन तो आती होगी. 10 पावर 23 ऊपर 10 पावर 21, इसको आप ऊपर ले गए, माइनस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये 10 पावर 23 माइनस प्लस 10 पावर 21, तो कितना बचा, 10 पावर -2 मोल ऑफ H2O. ओके. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द फॉलोइंग. 0.5 mole of helium, 1.5 mole of CO2. Now here we calculate the number of atoms or molecules. We know number of atoms or molecules equal to n into Na. That is, number of moles are given 0.5 multiplied by 6.02 into 10 power 23. यानी 0.5 को 6.02 into 10 power 23 से क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई देन वी, दैट इज 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23, 3.011 into 10 power 23. Answer number first. Similarly, 1.5 mole of CO2, you can calculate it. Share the video if you, and comments in the comment box. If you have any problem, then you can comment on comment box on my WhatsApp number. Personally, you can contact me if you have any problem. If you give me good feedback, then I will afford for another videos. Thanks for watching my video.